We are going to make some cookies. What are those, Mommy?
Vanilla bean. Fully
cooked! What kind of cookies are we making?
We are making basically Christmas cookies way before Christmas. We're having sugar cookies.
You want sprinkles?
Yeah, it's baking flesh.
All right, children, we're going to make cookies today. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I want one right now.
You do?
Yeah.
You have to make it.
Yeah.
Nothing is free.
Cookies are not free?
No, you have to make it.
Really?
Yeah.
Only they were free.
Yeah, free.
In America.
All right, let's get this recipe. This recipe wasn't free either. Okay, we're gonna need 1 cup of butter.
Butter.
Yeah,
Which cup? The big one or the small one?
1 cup.
Okay. This one.
1 cup of white sugar.
Okay.
3 cups of all-purpose flour.
Dip it.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Dip it.
Himalayan.
1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 cup of butter.
1 cup butter.
And 2 kids to make it double hard. Preheat the oven to 350, and in the bowl of your mixer, which is also something we do not have, you're going to cream together butter and sugar until smooth for at least 3 minutes. Cream the sugar and the butter. 1 cup of butter.
It's so daddy.
Okay.
Okay.
1 cup of sukar. Okay, hold it.
Oh.
All right, that's good. All right. 1 cup. Pour it in. All of it. All of it.
Cream. No.
Oh, no. Oh, you're going to have sugar boogers.
Yucky.
Really? Sugar is yucky,
The
Abigail.
sugar tastes good. It's
Look
on
at
the
her.
island.
Is it good?
You gotta be the sweetest baby ever.
Tastes good.
It tastes good. Okay. Here. Our mistakes are very tasty. 1 thing of butter. Oh my goodness, we're going to eat this. We're going to eat it all. Guess what we have to do now?
What?
We don't have a blender, so we have to mush all of it together by ourselves.
We bought one.
Who has the biggest muscles?
Daddy, but he's holding the camera, so I'll do it. Whoosh.
All right, this is going to be so good. Manually mixed butter and sugar. How did they do it in the olden days? I guess they had lots of children. All right,
All right.
this is going to be so fun. All right, you're going to take the fork and you're going to mush, mush, mush with the fork.
Okay.
You smush it together like this. See how I'm smushing it?
Yeah.
Like that. There you go. Smush it all together.
My turn, Daddy. You can do it now.
All right.
She's just
Mush
stirring
it
it up.
for 3 minutes. Gotta put in the...
Abigail!
No, Abigail.
Mush
We have
it.
to make cookies. All right, we're putting in the... She's making cookies.
You realize she would eat this entire thing if it was up to her.
She's making cookies.
Yeah,
All
sure
right.
she is.
We gotta beat in an egg.
No,
Who's gonna make the cookies?
No, not Abigail. No. She's one of
Give it to mommy.
Nuts.
Give it to mommy.
Nuts.
Abigail. Are you gonna break it?
She's gonna put some shells in it, so you might want to take
You
it
gonna
from
put
her.
some shells in it? All right, go ahead.
Give it to mommy.
No. Nuts.
Give it to mommy, Abigail.
Nuts. No.
Good job, Abigail.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. I did it.
You did it.
You did it!
Cracked it. And then you just put it in there. Good job.
Hooray!
My turn.
Good job.
My turn.
She's a pro already. Her turn. You need to put some salt in
Powder
it.
sugar. Powder sugar.
That's about right.
While later.
So many hours. 3 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Daddy.
That's 1. Go
Dump
ahead.
it. Ooh.
All right, let brother have the next turn.
Let me have the turn. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 3. Except we're gonna have a little bit less on this one because we had so much already. Okay. 3. Now we need 2 teaspoons.
My turn.
Okay.
Dip it.
Let me get a teaspoon out. I don't have a teaspoon, I don't think. So I use this,
An actual teaspoon?
I guess. All right, 1. Put it in there.
Oh, sugar.
Oh, honey.
Let me have the last turn, Abigail. Okay. Was that the last turn?
Yeah. However, you can dump very slowly, 1 cup at a time of this. Let me mix it into the flour.
And the fire.
You're gonna scoop.
Scooped. Two.
Yes, scoop a little bit of this
Okay.
into this at a time. Scoop it. All right, wait. I gotta stir it. Okay, keep scooping. Scoop, scoop.
Scoop.
They said that this is going to be very crumbly, but the edges are perfect. And it's really going to scare you to put in the last bit of the flour, but do it anyway.
It's not going to scare me. How? How will it?
Woo!
That's all.
All done. All right, now we gotta mix it real good. I'm gonna mix it.
Let's do it.
Mash
Yeah.
and stir, mash and stir. You wanna turn again?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll take a turn last, and then we're done.
Yeah, this is very crumbly. I don't know how this is
Okay.
gonna come together, but they
Okay,
said it would.
Okay. You're
I
going to
trust 'em.
squish it with hands, and
Oh.
it'll get together.
And also, you do not have to refrigerate this.
Dish.
All right, guys, we got an elephant and a heart and a teddy bear and a bell and a hippo and this thing and this thing. Although I think this is for Play-Doh, so no.
I saw that, Abigail. I saw it.
Okay, I'll take the heart and bell. Couch. That's a bear.
Teddy bear. You're gonna put it right here and push down on it.
And this one is for you.
And
You
you're
have
gonna
the bell.
wiggle it a little bit. Just a little bit. And then you're gonna push it out. And look,
The heart.
a teddy bear.
Table. Exactly. Another heart. Wait, how
Ooh.
does it pop out?
Push it.
Push it carefully out.
Ooh, look at that. Who would have thought that these would even work? Okay, we're gonna put our creations up here.
Okay.
Let's give Abigail an easy one. You want a bell? Okay. Push, yes. Push it all the way down.
Careful. Carefully pop it out. There.
Okay, now pop it out.
I think I'll have to help her. I'm making love cards. Now I want this one.
Pop it out, Abigail. Ooh, that's nice.
I'm so happy I'm making this for Santa. Santa's going to love it.
Too bad he's gonna have to wait several months.
Yeah, several months.
Or just cookies.
Yeah, but
Only have a little mold on them by then. You can still eat it.
yeah, little mold on them. He and us can still eat it though.
That's right. Oh, did you get it, Abigail?
She
I'm
might need
making
some
a
help.
circus over here.
She needs some help.
Here, push that one.
Yeah.
Oh, did you bite it? Here, push that one in. The heart.
The house.
Yeah.
The house.
Oh, you did
I
it!
did it. The muffin. I did it. I did it. Peace.
Peace. It's a heart.
So.
You want to do this elephant?
We're running
Here, do it
out
right
of
here.
it. We need more. Can you squish it all together? Self
Oh no,
Self it.
we're not gonna do more. You made an elephant? Squish it all the way down.
I made a heart though. It's stuck in there. Okay, I meant just to squish it into pieces.
Yeah, there you
Put it
go.
all together
Good
and
job.
squish it, I mean. Okay.
Take it out of there. Ooh, that's a half an elephant. It's like a half an elephant. That's good. Here's a teddy bear. You can put it right there. Now push real hard.
Table.
Real hard push.
Table.
Teddy bear. Woo! Let's take it.
Bill. Did someone do a bell yet?
Yeah.
Yay.
Abigail did a bell.
I can't see
Ooh,
it.
it's a teddy.
There it is. No one. Table.
Teddy bear.
Now a bell for me.
All right.
Table. Santa won't know
Give
my
me all
name.
of the stuff
You
from
can
over there.
Push it together.
We're gonna smush it together again. Pretty.
Oh. This, son.
Those are mummies. Thank you.
Sun.
Nose. Carefully pop it out, please.
Preheat your oven to 350.
Wow. Santa's going to love us so much. We're making more cookies than anybody in the universe for Santa.
Do you think he's gonna love you?
Yeah.
How much?
1,000, because we're making 100 cookies. See?
What do you think, Abigail?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. Wow, that's a lot.
These don't really spread out. That's the thing about them. They don't really spread is what it says.
Don't forget
So,
my last heart.
You can put them rather close. Let's put this in. Look at the beauty that it is. Would y'all like to put some sprinkles on it?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Table.
Leave it, please.
Where are the sprinkles?
We'll
We
put the
had
sprinkles
some.
on the last batch.
Oh.
Okay, so we have the second batch ready to go on the table here. The kids are taking a bath, so they're gonna get some fresh cookies with some fresh, clean bodies. And here's the first batch. It did expand a little bit, so it did kind of lie, but this is a tiny oven. Watch me in action. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh, look at the hout. Oh,
they
and
turn?
they're so soft.
Did these turn though? They're good?
Yeah, they're good. They're very soft, shortbready cookies
I don't think they're ready, Mommy.
without hard
They're,
edges. No, they're good. They're good.
Well, that one's mine because I touched it. Don't tell the kids. Gingerbread man. Should have poked some holes in them.
Oh, gingerbread man. Yeah, they're gonna be soft.
if you can.
They'll also continue cooking just a little bit. Yeah, they do have perfect edges. I'll give them that. They don't have burnt edges. I left them in a little bit longer than I should have actually. I left it in 15 minutes instead of 9 or 10, which was recommended 8 or 9. But again, this is a tiny oven, so let's put some more on here. And now that we know, I just went with flowers and hearts so they'd be easier to put on the baking pan. Oh no, you're in the middle of nowhere. Do you know what maybe that's from?
Sprinkles.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go?
Yeah. Ready, set, go. Set, go.
Okay, the kids have these with sprinkles. And as you can see, they are very soft. Let me Let me break in. Do you see the black dots on it? That's a vanilla. So pretty, but watch. That is a soft shortbread sugar cookie. So good. And look at the edges, they're not burnt. Except for this real thin one here. See, it's kind of like more brownish, but they're not burnt. So, there you go, children.
Thank you.
First taste. You're a child too. Your turn, get one.
Get one, Abigail.
Hot, hot, hot. Ow, hot, hot.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hot.
she's always got to lick the icing or whatever off. Sprinkles should not be round, I just have to say. They should be flat. Round sprinkles are terrible. They go everywhere. What do you think?
Yeah, yummy. Yummy.
Did you have fun making your cookies?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.